Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have a Tesla Model Y and I have this glass roof sunshade. So I'm going to show you guys what this thing is and show you how it works and all the pieces and parts that it comes with. So we can get it installed here. So we have, we have a manual. Kind of the manual for it here, but I'll show you the pieces and parts. We have the little clips so we can clip it up into the roof. And we have, this is going to be it here. Let's open this up and I'll show you what it looks like here. So this is like a butterfly. It's folded like a butterfly. Okay, so we've got the two pieces, one for the front half of the top and one for the back half of it. And this is what it looks like here. So on the back side, you see it's got these, the reflective side. So that's gonna be good for when it's sunning out and everything like that. And you wanna keep it cool inside. You've got that ability here. Let's open this thing up. And so this is what it looks like here. It's got some foam around the edges here, which I think we can probably get rid of once we put it in. We'll try to put it in and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. And so we've got the two pieces and we have, yeah, I think this is just for the packing, because there's no way that's staying in there. That would look weird. But I'm gonna go put it inside the car and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And here we are inside my car. You can see it's got the nice headliner. So now it looks like it kind of matches even the side colors. It's hard to really tell when it's dark here, but you see it goes up there. It completely covers it all the way up into the corners, all the way to the edges. I had some black clips. I put these black clips on. I had a black one before and I just kind of left the clips up, but you would want to use the gray ones to match. Actually, I'm going to just switch these out probably here in about 10 minutes. But you see it's got the two different pieces and it just completely seals up the top. Looks like just kind of the headliner, and it's going to reflect the sun and keep it all out. The black one kept me too hot. That's why I wanted this one here. That's the gray or whatever color this is. So I'm going to say these headliners are great. This one's awesome. Thumbs up from me. Pick up one of these for sure. You won't regret it. It's going to be so nice in the summer. The best.